the things that bring people into bondage: having sex with someone that is not your husband, having sex with someone that is not your wife, is not cool. Peradventure you are here or you are watching me online. You see, the devil has done so many rubbish to our mind that two people are living together, they are not married and they have prayer life. They will hold themselves and pray, and they will sleep with each other, and they are not married. You can't hold yourself, you are burning with passion. Change the context. Marry already. Don't put yourself in unnecessary bondage. Pack out. Where is the camera that is? Is it this one? Pack out. Well, don't say we are watching Ignite together. This Ignite has separated. Pack out of that place. Go to your father's house. I don't have anybody. Sleep on the street. Do anything. And don't stay in a man's house that is not your husband.